Good day, class. We are here again for another lesson entitled Table Napkin Folds. Are you ready? Let's start. For the content standard, the learners demonstrate an understanding of the fundamentals of the hospitality and tourism industry. For the performance standard, the learners apply skills in food preparation and services following safety precautions. For the learning competencies and objectives, 1. Identify the 7 basic table napkin folding. 2. Explain clearly the purpose of table napkins in the fine dining area when eating, considering each size. 3. Demonstrate how to do the actual table napkin folding following the procedure properly. For the definition of terms, here are some words. Napkin. It is one of the most striking elements you can put on a table for designing atmosphere and for protection from any food and drink spill. Table napkin. It is a small piece of cloth or paper, usually square, placed on the lap, used to wipe the lips when eating, and it also protects our clothes from food or drink spill. Table napkin folding. It is a type of decorative folding done with a napkin. It can be done as art or as a hobby. There are 7 basic table napkin folds. 1. Banana fold. The napkin is folded into a long, rectangular shape and then curved to form a crescent, resembling the shape of a banana. It is often placed in a glass or along the edge of a plate as a decorative touch. To create a banana fold, here are the steps. 1. Fold napkin in half diagonally. 2. Fold corners to meet at top point. 3. Fold bottom point to thirds way to top and fold back onto itself. 4. Turn napkin over bringing corners together, tucking one into the other. 5. Peel 2 top corners to make crown. Open base of fold and stand upright. Candle fold. This fold creates a tall, cylindrical shape resembling a candle. The napkin is rolled and then gathered at the top, forming a flame-like shape. It's often used in more formal or festive settings, where the napkin stands upright, resembling a candle. Here are the steps in creating candle fold. Fold napkin in half diagonally. 1. Fold down base a third way. 2. Turn napkin over and roll from bottom to top. 3. Tuck corners inside cuff at base of fold and stand. 4. Turn one layer of point down and set on base. Pyramid fold. In this fold, the napkin is folded into a square and then folded in half diagonally, creating a triangle. The triangle is then arranged upright to form a pyramid shape. This fold adds a touch of elegance and is often used in upscale dining. In making pyramid fold, 1. Fold napkin in half diagonally. 2. Fold corners to meet at top point. 3. Turn napkin over and fold in half. 4. Pick up at center and stand on base of triangle. Next is artichoke fold. The napkin is folded into layers that resemble the petals of an artichoke. The folds are shaped in a way that gives the napkin a rounded, layered appearance, with the edges turned inward. This fold is often used for formal dinners and adds a luxurious touch to the table setting. To create an artichoke fold, here are the steps. 1. Lay the table napkin cloth on a flat surface. 2. Fold all 4 corner endpoints to the center part of the napkin. 3. Flip the napkin, and repeat the same procedure you did on number 2. 4. Pull the endpoints of the 4 corners underneath the napkin to form the shape of a lotus flower. Sailing boat fold. This fold creates the shape of a boat, often used for themed or casual dining. The napkin is folded into a triangular shape, and the edges are folded over to create the hull and sail, resembling a small sailing boat. For the sailing boat fold, here are the steps. 1. Position the table napkin cloth in a diamond way. 2. Fold the bottom endpoint outward to the upper endpoint part of the cloth to make it a triangle shape. 3. Roll the lower part outward 3 times. 4. And let it stand firm like a sailing boat. Bishop's hat fold. This fold forms a cone-like shape, resembling a bishop's hat. The napkin is folded into a triangle, and then the corners are brought up and secured to create a point at the top. This elegant and sophisticated fold is often used for formal occasions. To create a bishop's hat fold: 1. Fold napkin bringing top to bottom. 2. Fold corners to center line. 3. Turn napkin over and rotate a quarter turn. 4. Fold bottom edge up to top edge and flip point out from under top fold. 5. Turn left end into pleat at left, forming a point on left side. 6. Turn napkin over and turn right end into pleat, forming a point on right side. 7. Open base and stand upright. Fan with stand fold. The napkin is folded accordion style, creating a fan shape. Then, the fan is secured and placed upright in a stand or glass, so it remains open. This fold adds a dramatic, elegant effect and is commonly used in more formal or artistic table settings. Steps in creating fan with stand. 1. Unfold the napkin to the side to create a rectangle. 2. Fold 2/3 of the napkin in a concertina fold in approx. 2 cm panels. 3. Now fold the napkin in the middle so that the concertina fold is outside. 4. Fold the right upper corner down to the left and insert the corner into the concertina fold. Position the napkin up and open up the fan. Table napkins are used for different purposes when eating food and taking drinks. Napkins also create an appealing purpose in any home and fine dining food service establishments or restaurants, since they are also used to give an inviting dining table and make the table setting look more appealing and attractive. The type of napkin you will need, and the size must be considered by the occasion or event that will happen or celebrate. Now, let's discuss the common types and sizes of table napkins. Beverage napkins. Beverage napkins are used in bars and restaurants. They are designed underneath a drink or cocktail glass to absorb any drips from condensation, ensuring the surface remains clean and dry. These napkins can also gently dab the sides of one's mouth to remove drink residue. Food and beverage staff can also use beverage napkins for carrying plates and other serving dishes to help prevent the transfer of germs and protect their hands from hot surfaces. Dinner napkins. Dinner napkins are typically reusable and made from fabric, unlike paper-based disposable napkins. Their sizes vary, ranging from 16 inches by 16 inches to 22 inches by 22 inches. These napkins are fabric-made, so they don't come pre-folded to allow creative folding designs depending on one's customer's discretion. Smaller sizes of napkins are 16 by 16, 17 by 17, and 18 by 18 are suitable for encasing cutlery in the folded napkins. It is important to note that the larger the size of the napkin to be used, measuring 22 inches, the more formal the dinner event, which means a highly prestigious dining experience it will bring to the guests. Luncheon napkins. These are usually made from paper and are single-use napkins. They are a little larger than beverage napkins and are popularly used for children's birthday parties. They are advised to be used for serving small slices of cake and intended to wipe children's hands after they have eaten a light meal. When not folded fully, these napkins measure 13 inches by 13 inches, but when bought by pack, luncheon napkins, once folded in a quarter fold, will result in the final measurement of 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. Quiz time. Choose the letter of your best answer. 1. What is the main purpose of a table napkin? A. To wipe the table after eating. B. To serve as decoration for the table. C. To clean dishes. D. To protect clothes from food or drink spills. 2. What type of napkin fold resembles the shape of a banana? A. Pyramid fold. B. Candle fold. C. Banana fold. D. Artichoke fold. 3. Which napkin fold is designed to resemble a small boat? A. Sailing boat fold. B. Candle fold. C. Fan with stand fold. D. Artichoke fold. 4. What is the typical size of a dinner napkin? A. 13 inches by 13 inches. B. 16 inches by 16 inches to 22 inches by 22 inches. C. 6.5 inches by 6.5 inches. D. 10 inches by 10 inches. 5. What does the fan with stand napkin fold require for display? A. A stand or glass to keep the fan upright. B. A plate to place the fan on. C. A centerpiece to hold the fan. D. Nothing. It can stand by itself. Here is the answer key. 1. D. To protect clothes from food or drink spills. 2. C. Banana fold. 3. A. Sailing boat fold. 4. B. 16 inches by 16 inches to 22 inches by 22 inches. 5. A. A stand or glass to keep the fan upright.